Hello, welcome to the Marginal Show, the cybersecurity show. So the iPhone 16 Pro Max leveled up again, and in this video, I'm going to bring you all of the key updates that just dropped right now. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. So one of the significant updates is the display and the design, right? In regards to the dimensions and display, there's a size increase. The iPhone 16 Pro Max will have a larger display measuring approximately 6.9 inches, up from the 6.7 inches of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This will be the first size update for the Pro models in several years. You have thinner bezels. It will feature the thinnest bezels ever on an iPhone, measuring just 1.15 millimeters, which enhances the overall screen to body ratio. There are new dimensions, right? The overall dimensions of the iPhone 16 Pro Max will be 163 millimeters in height, 77.58 millimeters in width, and 8.26 millimeters in depth, making it slightly taller and wider than previous model, right? In regards to the material and build, there's the titanium frame, right? Continuing the trend from the iPhone 15 Pro series, the iPhone 16 Pro Max will utilize a titanium design, which is expected to provide enhanced durability and a premium feel. The camera bump there, the rear will feature a square camera bump, and the camera layout will include a new vertical arrangement for the lenses, which is a shift from the previous diagonal setup. Now, in regards to the buttons and features, there is the device will introduce a new capture button for quickly taking photos and videos, alongside the existing action button that replaces the traditional mute switch. This new button is expected to be capacitive, right, providing haptic feedback rather than a physical click. Now, the color options, the iPhone 16 Pro Max will be available in several colors. You have the space black, you have the white, you have the gray, and a new desert titanium shade. So overall, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is expected to retain a familiar aesthetic while incorporating significant upgrades that enhance functionality and user experience. If you like this video so far, please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button and like button. Please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and like button. So now there are camera enhancements too, right? The capture button on the iPhone 16 is expected to introduce several new features that enhance the camera experience. There you have the pressure sensitivity. The button will respond to different levels of pressure. A light press will autofocus while capturing an image or video, and a harder press will take a photo. In regards to touch sensitivity, users can swipe left and right on the button surface to zoom in and zoom out, offering a more intuitive way to control zoom without using the touch screen. Mode switching is also a key here. There may be a gesture for switching between photo mode and video mode, similar to the existing functionality in the iPhone camera app. Mechanical design, unlike capacitive, right, buttons, the capture button will be mechanical, providing tactile feedback while still supporting touch and pressure sensitivity. So these features aim to make the capture button a versatile tool for photography and videography, enhancing the ease and speed of capturing moments of or on the iPhone 16. There's also an upgrade in regards to performance and battery. The CPU performance, the A18 Pro is estimated to achieve a single-core Geekbench 6 score of around 3,200, which would be slightly faster than an Intel Core i9 13900KS. The multi-core performance is projected to exceed 8,200 points, putting it in the same league as mid-tier Intel or AMD laptop CPUs. The chip is likely to maintain the configuration of 2 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores. The GPU enhancements, the graphics performance is rumored to improve by nearly 40% compared to the A17 Pro. Now, the A18 Pro is expected to feature a 6-core GPU, while the standard A18 may have a 5-core GPU. This significant GPU boost aims to maintain Apple's lead over competitors like Qualcomm's Snapdragon series, AI and neural engine upgrades. The neural engine in the A18 Pro is anticipated to exceed 40 trillion operations per second, TOPS, surpassing the 38 TOPS of Apple's M4 chip. This represents a major increase from the A17 Pro's 35 TOPS, supporting advanced AI features in iOS 18. So the new improved neural engine will enable more powerful on-device AI processing, and support larger language models. In regards to manufacturing process, the A18 Pro is likely to be manufactured using TSMC's N3P process, which is 5% faster and up to 10% more energy efficient than the N3E process. So this advanced manufacturing process allows for increased transistor density and improved overall chip efficiency. Memory and connectivity, there may be an upgrade on the LPDDR5X RAM, offering higher memory bandwidth with lower power consumption. We all like that, right? We're not beefing with those words, right? The A18 is expected to include Qualcomm's Snapdragon X75 modem for improved 5G connectivity. Now, there is potential support for the Wi-Fi 7. That's rumored, but don't hold me to that. That's what they're saying. I'm just a reporter. That's what they're saying. So the iOS is the upcoming 18th major release of the Apple's iOS operating system for the iPhone. It's set to be released again fall of this year. And some of the things that you're going to want to know about the iOS, the latest updates, is the Apple Intelligence, right? iOS 18 introduces Apple Intelligence, a new AI-powered feature available on iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max. This feature utilizes personal context to provide more relevant and helpful intelligence to users. Some capabilities include, you have the enhanced writing tools and language capabilities. You have improved focus and communication features. There's image creation tools for self-expression. Siri gets an upgrade with better language understanding and contextual awareness system enhancements. Now, that's one of the issues with AI is the contextual awareness and understanding, right? They're always giving us these wild kooky answers, right? So in regards to messages, iOS 18 will support rich communication services, RCS, for non-iMessage conversations, allowing for read receipts and higher quality multimedia sharing across platforms. The Photos app also gets a little bit of an upgrade. A significant redesign of the Photos app includes automatically generated slideshows called collections displayed at the top of the screen. There is the home screen customization. Users will have more control over their home screen, including customizable icon colors, positions, and sizes. And you know we like our dark mode here, right? There are dark mode versions of first-party and many third-party apps. There's the ability to place icons anywhere on the screen, and there's resizable app widgets. Those widgets are resizable, right? The control center receives a redesign. It features multiple pages of controls. There are resizable buttons. There's third-party control integration. Now, this is a cybersecurity channel, right? Technology channel. There's password management. That's what we like. We want security in this piece, right? A new password manager called Passwords will be introduced, aiming to simplify password management for websites, applications, Wi-Fi, and verification codes. Now, it's beta testing, right? The iOS 18 is currently in public beta, with the latest version being beta 8. The public is beta 6, and it was released on August 28, 2024. Beta testers are helping identify and resolve issues before the official release. As the official release approaches, beta users will likely be transitioned to the stable version of iOS 18, with the option to continue beta testing future updates like iOS 18.1. Now, the release date, the iPhone 16 series, including the Pro Max, will be officially announced on September 9th, 2024, with pre-orders starting at September 13th and a market release expected on September 20th. So these updates suggest that the iPhone 16 Pro Max will be a major upgrade over its predecessors, focusing on enhanced performance, improved camera capabilities, and new design elements. That right there, guys, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is highly anticipated, right? So that's what I have for you today. If you like this video, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and the like button. If you like this information, if you like the video, if you had an enjoyable experience, please let me know in the comment section below. Is there an iPhone 16 Pro Max update that I didn't talk about that you feel like really needs to be talked about? Please let me know in the comment section below. I appreciate your viewership. Stay safe and see you in the next video.